Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kevin from hapayu, and today we're going to be unboxing the Fisher-Price Brilliant Basics Baby First Blocks. We did unbox this and show how it was shipped in a different video, and in this video we are just going to take a closer look and see what is inside. We purchased this from Amazon. It was on our baby registry, and we recently took advantage of our one-time clearance and got 15% off. So let's see what we have inside. Now this is for infants 6 to 36 months old, so everything is on the smaller side. The bucket, the lid, all your different pieces of different colors, coordinating colors for shape. And there you go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos of other baby products that we purchased. Thanks again for watching and take care.